Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the max built-in function on tuples. So let's get started. Basically, what the max built-in function does is it returns the highest numeric value of all the objects contained in a tuple, or if it's all strings, then it returns the highest alphabetical order, which is the highest string that's closest to Z. Alright, so let's get started. Let's create a tuple. It's going to contain some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, just like that. And then we're going to call max on that and pass A as the argument, and we get 5, the highest numeric value. Alright, let's take a look at some strings in a tuple. So B is going to represent that tuple, and we're going to put cat, dog, monkey, and mouse. Alright, there we go. There's our tuple of strings, and we're going to call max on it. It's going to return the highest alphabetical order, so we get mouse. That's the closest to Z. Alright, here's something we haven't looked at before. Let's go ahead and take a look at C is equal to, and we're going to put a few different types of data types in here. We got integers. Let's go ahead and put a boolean, and let's put in a string. Alright, now if we call max on this type of tuple with multiple different types, we're going to get an error. So let's go ahead and call max, and pass C, and we get a type error. Not supported between instances of string and integer. Notice it doesn't say anything about boolean. We haven't talked about booleans yet, but a boolean is technically an integer, right? If I do true is equal to 1, I get true. If I get true is equal to 0, I get false. If I do false is equal to 0, I get true. All right, so false is actually 0 and true is 1. So that's a little bonus tutorial today. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial where we talk about sum.